In this video, you'll see how fresh, whole watermelons move through a modern processing plant, where advanced machines carefully turn them into clean, sweet, and refreshing red juice.
It all begins here, in the fields, where ripe watermelons are carefully grown and selected.
Once inside the facility, the watermelons are unloaded and prepared for thorough cleaning. High-pressure washing systems remove dirt and bacteria from the watermelon surface. After cleaning, the watermelons move toward the cutting line, where processing begins. Powerful cutting systems split each watermelon cleanly, revealing the fresh red flesh inside. Specialized equipment removes seeds while preserving the natural watermelon pulp. The prepared watermelon pulp is now ready for juice extraction.
The cutting process begins with precision blades designed specifically for large watermelons.
Special systems remove the seeds while keeping the fruit fresh and intact. Once prepared, the watermelon pulp is collected and readied for juice extraction. Powerful presses extract juice from the watermelon pulp while retaining its natural freshness.
The juice is filtered to remove remaining solids while preserving its natural flavor. Careful heat treatment ensures safety without compromising taste.
Once processed, the watermelon juice is ready for bottling. The extracted watermelon juice flows through sealed pipelines to maintain freshness.
Filtration removes remaining solids while preserving the natural flavor.
Careful temperature control ensures the juice is safe while keeping its natural sweetness.
The freshly processed watermelon juice is now filled into bottles with precision and speed. Automated capping systems seal each bottle to lock in freshness.
As production pauses, workers take a short break between shifts.
I told him we needed more time for the shipment, but he wouldn't listen.
He never does. Anyway, are we still meeting up later?
Yeah, right after this break.
After the break, production resumes with the same precision and care.
Before filling begins, each bottle is inspected to ensure cleanliness and accuracy. Automated systems control fill levels to ensure consistency in every bottle.
Each cap is checked to protect freshness and prevent leaks.
Labeling accuracy ensures every bottle is ready for distribution. With bottling complete, the juice moves on to final packaging. Every bottle is carefully inspected to ensure quality and consistency.
Random samples are tested to maintain taste and freshness standards.
Once packed, the products are sealed and prepared for distribution.
And that's how watermelon juice is made. Shade from the field to the bottle.